This is the book funnel dashboard that you'll see after you open an account. Just go over to Books, and then you'll just add a book. It just wants you to enter the information, the book title, the author, and just say what type of book it is, like a whole book or an excerpt or an advanced copy, stuff like that. So just grab the description and copy paste it or write it. Save the book. Then you'll need to upload a copy of the cover and go get the interior of the book and upload that as well. This is the same process if you're just using an excerpt for a reader magnet or something like that. You will need a cover, which you can easily make like in Canva if you need to. Just wait for that to upload and save the whole thing. Next, we're going to scroll down to I want to create a landing page. So we're going to make a landing page that goes with the book. We want an email sign-up page to collect new readers. And if you don't have the list integration feature, that's totally fine. Just pick this option, which is export CSV file only. Now just name the page, put the expiration date if you want to, and any claim limit, and save the whole thing. And there's the link. There it is, really pretty simple. Got the book cover and the description and the little button to sign up.